We've been asked on numerous occasions what this component is for when it comes applied with the manifold pump group setup. The manifold pump group comes set up ready for the left hand side to go straight onto the manifold. We're going to change that over to make it possible to connect to the right hand side. We need this to disassemble the unit. First of all, we're going to remove the manifold connecting nut. Inside there's a place for this nut to fit into to lock in. Firstly, we need to tighten up on the body. Then we need to lock in the nut. Now the nut will just go straight inside and crack open. Once you've cracked open the nut, you can remove it and replace it on the opposite side. Obviously, we now need to tighten the whole thing back together. So there's the blending part side of it done. We need to do the same thing to the gauges side. So we now need to remove the blanking nut. On the gauges, need to be swapped over to the opposite side. We then need to replace the blanking nut where the gauges were. So there's all the work done. Simply now we need to add the pump, making sure the arrow is facing upwards. We need to replace the manifold connector, and now she's set up ready for the right hand side connection to the manifold. We've got the elbow, which can either be installed there so that we can have vertical pipes coming in to the manifold, alternatively can be installed there so that horizontal pipes can be connected, always ensuring that the flow comes in on the bottom port. This is now ready to be connected to the right hand side of the manifold. It's as simple as that. We also have two connectors which will connect directly into the pump group. One is set up for copper, 22mm copper, and one is set up for MLCP, 25mm MLCP. I'll just show you on the manifold here where they connect into. MLCP goes via the tweetop connector and the copper goes via the Bastion 22mm connector. I hope that's helpful.